Good morning, loves. Welcome to a new vlog. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back to the channel. So, good morning. I'm using microphone this morning because they are working in the house behind my house, so it's kind of noisy. So that's why I'm using the microphone this morning. So today is Wednesday. We're starting this vlog on a Wednesday because I've been busy the rest of last week and beginning of this week. I've been busy, but I promise that this vlog is going to be very, very well organized. So yeah, we're starting strong this Wednesday. So today, what am I going to be doing today? I'm going to take some clothes to the laundry, come back and clean my room because I've not actually cleaned my room this weekend that just passed. So I'm going to take out the sheets, put in new sheets, sweep and mop. And yeah, also wanted to say I took out my coils from the hair, guys. I got tired and I took it out. Yeah, yeah, I'm not doing that. I think the next thing I'm going to do will be like the short braids, and we'll have the coils so that I'll be able to like, I think the shorter the coils and the shorter the braids, the easier for me to take care of the coils. And obviously, yeah, I'm going to make sure they put it complete this time, and it will be faster because the braid is going to be short, not like this long. So yeah, let's start the day. So I'm going to be putting the perfume. I don't know where should I think I'll put the perfumes this way and my body cream this way. Yeah, so let's start with the perfume. Tell me why I have more than three lotions. I think I'll just focus and finish them so that I can start using one. I only use vitamin C body cream because it's so good for my skin. See this one, vitamin C. See the only vitamin C also. They just remain tiny. I'm almost out of it. So I decided to try the Nivea. I said this in my last vlog. If you've not watched it, I think you should. Oh guys, I love this cherry blossom. It's so nice. It scents so good. I don't know where I can buy it. My sister got it for me. I wish I can see it here in Nigeria. I think I can. I would really love to buy it. I have this sheet mix. I'm gonna put you behind. I have one more perfume. My Nivea. This is my friend's glasses. God knows I'll never wear this glass. I don't even know why it's here. I think I'll give it to one of these children during Christmas. I have this one also, and I want to keep it in the bag because it's scratching. I have other glasses that is down. Guys, I still need to organize here. Here is a mess because this bag is of junk case, a lot that I'm not using, and those are my hair essentials. So I need to also organize here. I bet the dress is back on the dry cleaner, so I'm about to start them. So the last time I washed it by myself, and this time I'm not going to wash it by myself. So I'm going to take it to the dry cleaner. Guys, so we made fruit drinks. This is watermelon, this is pineapple, and this is, I'm not the biggest fan of, this is cucumber, and still have more fruits here for when this is done. Now trying to be eating healthy, right? Good morning, love. Today is Thursday and I'm about to go and get my nails done. You can see how ashy my nails is. This nails is the only nails that have actually lasted this long. I've carried these nails for a month and some days right now, so I have no idea of the nails I want to get. Bag of the day, wallets, my Nivea SPF lip balm, airport, of course. I like this top, just that I need to buy this top in all the colors available. Just putting on my hands flat, and I put my hair in a bun. So this is the only type of earring I wear actually, just the hoops. It's so much easier for me. It's so I keep repurchasing it. Like if I go to like where they're selling, where I normally buy my earring, they already know me. Oh, you want hoops? You want hoops? Guys, my skin is coming back to normal. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. It's been how many months now? This we are in the 8th month, I'll be 9th month, and I've not actually used skincare for 9 good months. That's really bad. I'm not trying that shit again. So come with me. I don't know which nails. Which nails do you think I should get? Should I get the white or I get white or French tips? I need to actually come back to my Zoom. I need to be working out. But I look so good. Body tea, face card tea, hair tea, back teas, nails not tea, but it's gonna be tea soon.